line in the level in the vertical view, you have to turn to a view. For example, I'm going to switch to east view. Double click on the east view. Now, okay, this was the level 1 and level 2 level line generated by default, by the template. But it was too short. You see the level line edit. It's a symbol display. Make it display at both ends. Okay. Then I will pull it longer. Okay, the other side, I also just make it longer so that alright. Yeah, this is adjusting the length of the level line. And one more thing for the level line. There is a default setting for the level lines, which is 3 meters. The story height is 3 meters. Now this is true for most of the residential building. But if it is for SP Tower, 3 meters is a bit too short. Because you go 150 meter, then we will need about 50 stories. But if you still want to use it as a part of the residential building, it's alright. If not, we can think of designing it in such a way like maybe combine 2 stories as one. Make it 6 meters, 1 story. Or you can even do it in such a way that only the such a way that the first story is going to be 6 meters of space.
Follow you.
You follow right? 6 or 5?
Okay.
You want 6 or 5?
5.
Sorry, I changed this way. It's not right. I change here the level 2 because level 1 starts from 0. Level 2, the elevation, I change it into 6,000. Yeah, instead of 3 meters per story, now I make it 6 meters per story. Okay.
It's okay, 16. I got 12. 16 months.
Huh?
The level 1
give
view.
me 1 minute.
The level 1 view is 16.
How do you do
Are you able to see my screen now? Okay.
Okay.
Alright, good.
How long?
Yeah, let's carry on.
This way.
Okay. Next, the vertical grid line looks like too short now. See this?
Wow.
We can extend it. And actually, you need to extend it very, very tall, 150 meters, you know. So you can try. Okay. Yeah. Cannot move. Mouse cannot move.
Need to edit anything. But if you need one, if you also set it.
Try again.
I don't have a screen.
This offset distance I'm going to set is going to be 3 meters. So it's going to be 3,000. And I can lock it.
What are you doing now?
6 only for the first 2 stories. The rest are still 3. So I'm going to do this. Yeah.
Teacher, how you do? Can repeat.
Repeat that. So we
Yeah,
go to the
cannot
level. Click on level. And then I use this stick line method. Set the offset as 3,000. And the lock it.
Oh, it's not 3,000.
3,000 because when I design my tower, I want to use the space in the ground floor to make it a bigger space for entertainment or activities, perhaps. Then the second floor up is normal classroom or office. Yeah. So when I design it, the story height for the other stories are still 3 meters. You got to watch out and pay attention to this. I mean, you got to be very careful. Level number must be continuously running. Otherwise, you make one mistake, quickly go Control Z, undo, and then do the next. Yeah, don't do too fast because this one you make one mistake, you got to delete and then redo.
We set already. But actually,
And if you wish to use a different level height, it's up to you. For me, I need to go up to level 15. This is going to be okay.
and then we just mine also. Oh shit.
你要画几个？
还不错。
Each at 50 already. This is not a race. It's not a race.
You know how many floor you?
I need to go up to 50. Sorry. Because, yeah, because each of them got different number, level number. You all can explore. If you find a better way to do this, let me know.
We got 51 level, right? We got 51 levels, right? 51.
You do so fast, you also need to wait for us. You do slowly. You want to pay 51?
I only at level 24.
150 meters, exactly. Yeah.
Huh?
You want it, you can find. I don't know
I
any
got
of
5,000. We just got 50.
It's only 150,000. 150 meters, right? It's 150.
Then you add the thing, the brace.
Okay, I'm gonna come back and do this to change this
Which is level 31 now.
green line. No, I have to escape twice.
Look how many minutes.
Wow, there's one mistake here.
Oh shit.
Nice one, sir.
You check the level. 31, level 31.
Yeah.
Really? Mine only 148 eh.
Yeah. What's the kid? 148.
What's the change, right? What's 5,000?
What's your first level?
But Barak is 5,000, right?
Okay. Wow.
Every level 5,000.
Actually,
3,000.
but anyway, this is
Sekali
the
I change.
level line. And here is also very troublesome up to 50.
Escape first.
Now I need to do one more troublesome thing. Is I only look at the east, it looks alright. I need to make sure the south view also correct. South view no. See?
But
South
this
view,
everything change.
this green, I mean the level line will still be too short.
Will it change by itself?
No, like a bit weird.
Level 20 is like, I want level 27 and not like damage.
Cannot. Must change one by one.
Oh my god.
Then like this, I undo first like this. I just make it the wrong one. I don't know. Just now I put 3,000.
It should be 5,000, right?
Okay, so I adjusted both the south view and the west and east view to get my grid line and level lines all set properly.
So you repeating for our side or for views?
Okay, after this, you all can start to draw column if you are sure of what you want to do next. Yeah, how come your design, your tower look like mine? I mean, so far,
Very similar, so very similar.
Dimension not same.
Not same, huh? Like this. And the next moment I'm going to do is I'm going to add the column on level 1. So I'm going to switch to level 1. Okay. When you use Revit for drawing, there is actually to put the columns at all the junctions or the intersections of the grid lines. This is my design. Okay, but my design is going to be in such a way. I'm going to have a stagnation of my tower into 2 parts. First 20-story is going to be this project. I cannot save to the here. I need to save to my own folder.
So how we do?
I save to my own folder.
We follow him.
This is
This for what?
4 sides.
SP tower.
Use any one. We try concrete. No difference.
1A, 1A22, 1A22. Okay. Yeah, this column I got different types of columns. I'm going to use concrete column, and I'm going to use a different dimension. Not this dimension. I'm going to use a 600 by 600 size. So I need to edit the height. Do you still remember all this? Duplicate, huh? Duplicate, I'm going to use, change this into 600 by 600. And also change the dimension inside here. 600 by 600 column. And then now I will just add. You see, when I put the cursor onto the grid line, it will snap to that. When this line is highlighted, this line is highlighted, it is actually selecting the center, the intersection of these 2 lines as the snapping point. So you can just click. Click. Oh, sorry, I tried to repeat again. Okay, I repeat again. There were some other things I need to change. Because this by default, Control Z, just undo it. Control Z, by default, this goes to the depth. Actually, I want to set it as height. Okay? And the default height is 2,500. And the first level is 5,000, so I'll just change this into 5,000, 5 meters. Okay, then I click